Hello everyone, my name is Tang. I'm just old, and today I will talk about Rilla of Ingleside, and today I talk about chapter 5, The Sound of a Going. When our women fall in conflict, show our men we false still. They are calling for volunteers in town, father, said Jim. Scott have joined up already. I'm going in tonight to enlist. Oh, little Jim, cried Mr. Blighted brokenly. She had not called him that for many years. No sign the day he had rebelled against it. Oh, no, little Jim. I'm a mother. I'm right, am I not? Father, said Jim. Dr. Blighted had risen. He was very poor, too, and his voice was husky, but he did not hesitate. Yes, Jim, yes, if you feel that way, yes. Jim turned to the phone again. I must ring. The man Jerry will want to go too. We can stop him, said Mr. Blighted shockingly. Oh, Gabbard, would you have him stay? Anna, when the others are going. When he thinks it dirty, would have you him so softly and small shoot. No, but oh, our firstborn son, he's only a lad. Gabbard, I'm trying to be brave. After a while, yes, now I can. It is on come so suddenly, give me time. Oh, Susan Gu, he rarely go see us. In the temples today is what we thought that low Kitchener say they will last 3 years, said Rilla dubiously. He goes to do what I had done. Had Douglas' daughter been his son? She wondered if it was very dearful of her to feel glad that water had not got strong as soon as they had wished after the fever. Rilla, my Rilla, what are you thinking of? Water sat down. A nail-born ring stone and took Rilla's little impelling hand. I'm afraid our work has come to an end. Rilla, we have got to face and fake. I envy Jim, said Water moodily. Envy Jim. Oh, Water, you don't want to go too. You are not. Rilla burst out angry. Why anybody would be afraid to go. You might be white and you might be cute. But Water, you couldn't go anyhow, said Rilla passionately. She was sick with a new terror that Water would go after all. You are not strong enough. Even if you were strong enough, you oughtn't to go. Sharply, Rilla, what do your mother do? She breaking her heart over Jim. It could kill to see your boat go. No, but it is a whose noble show is first sharp this. I don't do that. We can gloss it over. Rilla, I am a coward. You are not think of how you found that wrist long ago. One burst of cockrick it is enough for little miss. I wish I could believe. Well, it's supper time. Rilla, you would better run. I don't anything. You are I mind, said Mr. Meredith. Thank good England never is ready, said the doctor. Amen to that. Note Mr. Norman. Plain was smart of them, where somebody and has foresight enough to see do that. Thank you for listening and goodbye.